Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl E.Michelle, and I'm back with another video. And y'all know I'm excited. I got some happy mail. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna well mail. Woo-wee, it's a Saturday. I just finished washing my hair. But anyways, this is a much anticipated package. Like, she had been telling me that she was sending me some stuff and was collecting stuff, and oh my gosh, I'm like really excited. Like, I'm really excited. So anyways, let's just go ahead and get into this happy mail. Box is like bulging over, and it got here really quickly because she sent me the tracking like the other day. So this was pretty awesome. So let's just open it up the best way that I can. And thank you so much, girl. Like, you definitely did not have to do this, and I'm elated that you did, but you definitely, like, no one has to do this at all. It's kindness of your heart is just amazing to me. So yeah, it's always fun to receive happy mail, and I send out happy mail all the time, so to receive some too is like awesome sauce. So let me open this. Okay, so here is the first item I'm pulling out. Oh my gosh, like, can y'all see all of this stuff? It's all in this. Goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got some stickers here. These are so stinking cute. They look like the recollection stickers. They are the recollection stickers, and these are like the newer ones too. Oh, I love these. Love it. Then I got some Glam Girl dashboards. Okay. No, do not touch my stickers. This is too cute. I love this. I can put this as a dashboard. Oh my gosh, the Agenda 52. Ah! I do not have this one, so that is amazing. And then these clips, the adhesive pockets. Y'all, I have been wanting these forever. Adhesive pockets. I'm here for it. No, she did not get me the Boss Babe. I could only find the seasonal one of the LOL, and I am so, oh my gosh. Look, let me try to pop that thing open. Pop it open real quick for y'all. Oh, and there's another one. This one is laminated. That is too, I love that. No, you can't touch my stickers. But here's the LOL like little flip through. Oh my gosh, I'm about to use this week. Yep, I just found what I'm using. This is so cute. I love it so much. Okay, I got this is gonna be long, I can tell, because I'm going through all of these. Okay, and I have the girl sticker pack. Now I can use the other one because I've been hoarding. I have been hoarding because I was like, I didn't want to use it. Oh my gosh. And then this one, yes. These are all, oh my, I feel like she knows my inner soul, because these are ones that I look at and I be like, girl, you don't really need it. Okay, maybe you should get it. Maybe, nah, I don't know. And then I have some daily sheets from the Happy Planner, and this one came from the Goal Getter line, so I'm excited about those. I can add those to my mini. I'm thinking about kind of changing my mini up and doing this anyway, so this would be perfect for that. Ooh, the Paper Studio Months of the Year. Okay, I have never seen this one. Months of the Year sticker pack. Let's look through this. Oh my goodness, it's like all the different days of the, oh my gosh, this is too cute. And these stickers are thicker than a Snicker too. All the months are in here. Like, this is going to be perfect. This is just perfect for my I'm skipping months, I'm sorry y'all. This will be perfect for my Erin Condren. Oh my goodness, I wonder, does it fit? I hope it fits my Erin Condren. I hope it does, because these are too stinking cute. Oh wait, okay. And then I have some, these look like dashboards. They could be like dashboards. They're the cards. I like these. These are really cute. Cool, these are cute. Turn dreams into plans. I am a limited edition. Yes, honey, make it happen. Work like a boss. Be persistent, never quit. These little coffee cups. Oh, they're so cute. Hustle, heels and hustles. Be fierce. And Boss Babe, you got this. I love those. Ooh, an Erin Condren cover. Y'all know I know what Erin Condren is. This is an Erin Condren cover. This was from one of her seasonal surprise boxes. I had no idea you was about that life. Let me find out. And then I got a Happy Planner Deluxe cover. Yes, come through, all the way through. Okay, then I have this. Oh, these are the memory keeping pockets. This is what I be seeing people put in the beginning of their planners. I'm here for it. Thank you, boo. Okay, then these are some more of those sheets. Where did you get these from? These are adorable. Y'all see them? Child. Let me find out. And then these, oh, these are gonna be so cute to put in the front of my planner, to put my name on there. I am here for it. Okay, so then we have these Boss Babe. Oh, she laminated it. And it has a, it has a pocket on the back. Can y'all see that? Boldly be a pop of color in a black and white world. I love these little girls. With the pocket. Girl, did you make these? Come through. This one got a pocket on it. I'm so here for it. I am here for it. And more stickers. More stickers. I'm in love. Okay, so that was just one little pouch, y'all. Like, just one little pouch. Okay. I don't even know how to put or where to put. It's so much. Like, there was just one of the little pouches. Okay, we gotta keep moving on. There's another pouch and it's iridescent. I'm here for it. Okay, girl, oh my gosh. I see stuff already. I see a lot of stuff. Girl, no you did not, child. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got the LOL pens. If y'all know me, I love pens. So this is like, I'm like about to be in tears. These are the LOL pens. I'm here for those. Let's see. Oh, there's some cute little paper clips. Y'all, these little pocket things, this is going to be perfect to keep my die cuts in. Look at these die cuts. Is this a vellum? Child, this is on vellum. No, she did not. Where did you get the Planner Society? Some of these came from Planner Society. Oh my gosh, girl. Wow. And this cute little bow clip at the end and this envelope. Child, look at this bow clip. Do y'all see this? Freaking adorable. Okay, then we have another little pocket. I'm here for these pockets. Like, these are perfect. And they have the little stickers inside of them. I love it because it's like she's showing me where I can keep my stuff. So thank you, boo. And these are like the tabs I can put on the side of things, which I really be needing these. If y'all have extra tabs y'all don't want, give them to me because I use them in my shop to store different things. Oh, a beautiful mess. This is too cute. Wait, is this a pocket? She made it into a, y'all, I'm done. I'm so done. And then this is the planner decal. I love these. I saw it was one that I was looking at, but I wanted this heart one. So I don't know how she knew that, but I'm here for it. And then some snap-on tabs. Yes. And pen holders and some bookmarks. And these are all from the Happy Planner Girl line. So you know she was thinking about me because this line ain't even out no more. So that was like amazing. Then some Simply Gilded. Y'all, she sent me some Simply Gilded. This is so cute. These butterflies, I'm just gonna go ahead and stick it right here where it belongs, in the Simply Gilded box. Yeah, I'm about that life. Okay, and then we have some more like little dashboards, and I feel like she made these. Like, I don't know if she did, but I feel like she made these. And these little pockets. Okay, she's gonna have to show me how to make these little pockets because they are too adorable. Okay, then, oh, this is cute. It says Unicorn Dreams and it's a notepad. I wonder, is it sticky? Let's see if it's sticky notes. Yeah, this video gonna be super long because I'm not even halfway through it. Okay, yeah, it's just a notepad. So that is cool too. I use those all the time, especially over here on my desk for my business. Y'all, look at this. Can y'all see this clip? Do y'all see this clip right here? And this one with the owl on it? Now, why did you send me stuff like this knowing good well I'm gonna sit and look at it because I don't want to mess it up? These are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, girl. Liz, you a mess. You a mess. You did that, girl. Okay, magnetic bookmarks. When did these come out? I don't even have these at all. Okay, but I know this is part of the, this is Glam Girl line. I didn't have any of those at all. And then some more paper. Look at these bow clips. Oh my gosh. And this was from the Planner Society. I'm over here feeling myself. Yes, diamond pens. Y'all know I love these. All my life, I have loved those. And then this is a Kaiser color gel pen, and it's metallic. I've never tried this one before, but I can't wait to try it. You better know it. And I'm seeing something I'm loving. Jelly Rolls. I have not had any Jelly Roll pens since I was in high school, and these are amazing pens. I remember them. So I'm wondering if they're still like as amazing or improved. This is going to be perfect. Okay, I'm like skipping over stuff. Oh, more. These are like little paper clips. Look at these, but they're like plastic. They're the plastic ones. How cute are these? I'm here for it. Oh, I gotta put this one up special so I make sure I use it during, that looks like a Christmas one. So I'm gonna use that during Christmas time. And then this is a Be Thankful card. This is from Erin Condren. And then, ooh, an Erin Condren magnetic bookmark. Come through, girl. I had no, like, you ain't tell me you was an EC on the low. You ain't tell me that. I had no idea. This is the Simply Gilded washi card. You can put the washi samples on there. Girl. Y'all gonna get annoyed with me by the end of this video. Turn the volume off if you have to, because I'm too geeked up. Some more paper clips down here at the bottom and some die cuts. Oh, it's an iridescent bow from Simply Gilded. I am here for it. Look at these. Look at these die cuts. And another one. Child. And another one. Y'all, I'm too geeked. I'm too geeked over here. Okay. But this is, and then this one, oh, this is another one of those pockets. Girl, I'm being spoiled over here already. Oh, she sent me another one with, this is like the rose gold. Y'all know rose gold is my thing. Goodness gracious, what am I supposed to do? And then these are like some Japan pens. This is the Poppin' pen. Okay, I gotta find out how that writes. I have got to find out how it writes. Oh, and then what is this? Is this like the refill for that one? This might just be like a, no, this is a pen, I feel like. This is a pen. Okay, I got to try that one out. And then, y'all, she sent me a Villa Beautiful pen. Oh, and the refill to go with it. Look at this pen. Oh, thank you. I'm so geeked. I'm so geeked right now. And I'm trying to stuff this stuff back into the boxes and into the pouches and everything. It's so much stuff. It's so much stuff. This is like Happy Mail. For real, for real. This is like real deal Happy Mail. Okay. Then I got the Dates and Holidays book from Create 365. Oh my gosh, I'm here for it. Okay, Dates and Holidays. Then I got the Goal Getter. Y'all know I had literally was hoarding this because I didn't want to use it all. I used the Goal Getter for work. So this is like, I'm finna freak out because I needed another one so I could keep using it. Oh my gosh. And then weekly meal planner sheets. Thank you so much. And then this is like a little pocket I can put in my happy planner, y'all. Come all the way through. Okay, I'm still pulling stuff out this thing. Like I really am. She made me some little like dividers, y'all, and it got little pockets inside of them. Look at that. Look at this. I need to learn. Okay, so we're gonna have a session and you're gonna teach me how to do this because I need to know how to make this thing shake the way that you did, because this is freaking adorable. And look at this one. Okay, you know I got a laminator, so you're gonna have to teach me and show me your ways because I need to know. And then, oh my goodness, the planner patches from the Glam Girl line. I needed these. I use these for work. I use these for work. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about those. I love those sheets. And I got doubles. Yes, yes, yes. Just in case they don't come back out with these again. That is freaking amazing. Okay, there's something in here. And I just ripped it open because that's how I am. I just ripped stuff. Wow. Okay, there are, I don't know if y'all can see all of this, but there are paper clips galore. Like, all kinds of paper clips. Paper clips here, paper clips there. Y'all know I love paper clips. Look at these. I'm here for it. Yes, this one. Wow, this is not a paper clip. What is this? It's like a band you can put around. Child, I can put this band around my planner like that. OMG. Okay, I'm over here like in awe of everything, okay, and last but not least, she got me some tool pins, some tools. Y'all, I'm done. I'm out here done. I am done and done. Tool pins, are we serious? The brights and this pack looks amazing. I need to know how they write. I can't help it. I can't not know how they write. Okay, where's one of my, where my little notepad go that I just got? Let me find my notepad. Y'all know I done stuck stuff back where it came from so I could make sure I went through everything and got it out the way. Oh, let me use my new little notepad. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it writes so freaking smooth. These are some amazing pens. Oh my gosh, I'm here for it. Y'all know I have to, since we doing this, I went and got this paper out real quick. We're gonna try this other pen that I wanted to know about too. Okay, and the ball was still on there, so y'all know it's real. Oh goodness. Okay, I took the ball off wrong, but look at this. Is this a gel pen? I gotta figure out how to get this ball off. You know I'm not the best at that. There we go. This writes so good. Oh my goodness. And I gotta try this Villa. Oh, the way that it feels, y'all. This feels like I'm about that life. I don't know what life, but I'm about it, okay? Is this gel? Why did I think this was like ballpoint? Y'all. Okay. All right, y'all. Thank you so much. Like, everything is amazing. Thank you. I'm here for it. I appreciate it all. You did not have to do this. Like, all of this stuff, I'm sitting here looking up the side of my desk, like both sides of my desk. Like, you did not have to do this at all. Thank you. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. I'm about to cry because people don't have to be that nice to you. And for someone to sit there and think of you, it just means a lot. So I'm about to log off, y'all. That's why I couldn't do this one face to face, because I felt like I was gonna get emotional, and I did. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you. Mwah. KK, bye.